Hi all, welcome to new video for Horilla development series. In this video, we will configure the actions for or the action items inside the Horilla Navbar View. So for that, open the custom shift request now that we just created. Also open the parent navigation view, Horilla Navbar View. Here, here's the actions list. So, okay, actions list. It will take list of dictionary items. So to see each items, we have to go we have to go to the Horilla now inside the Horilla theme. Horilla theme and Horilla now.html. Here, the search for actions. So here is the actions section. Here you can see a loop for action in actions. So the action.action will be the label for the action. So inside the actions list, just here, provide a dictionary item. Then with the key action, you can provide the action. In some scenarios, you have something like bulk approval or bulk archive, delete, something like that. So in that scenarios, you can use this, make use of this action and map your own URLs or action scripts, etc. So inside the action label, I'm just going to provide, for example, bulk approval. Okay, let's see how it's reflects. Okay, our server is starting up. Then, okay, I just refresh. So now here you can see the action item element is now showing out it. Here is the bulk approval. Similarly, you can add multiple action, as many you want. Okay, let's add another action like bulk archive or bulk reject. So by providing this dictionary item inside the list, actions list, each item will be listed out inside the actions menu drop down. So how we actually map the actual actions? For now, let's see using a simple alert. So when you check the template, here is the ATTS, action.atts. Action is the dictionary item and action, the ATTR action are the keys inside the items, dictionary items. So let's provide a simple alert on click. So the ATTS will take a raw attribute for the HTML element. So I have to provide the complete on click. Then I will provide a simple alert. In your scenarios, maybe you having some HTMX or any modal pop-up. So all the attribute, all the action you can mention like this. For now, I'm just doing a simple alert. Then coming to the browser and refresh. Then click on the, here you can see the alert is now showing. So that's how you configure the actions for the Horilla Navbar View. I hope you understood this video. If you have any doubt, queries, you can ask it inside the comments. Yeah, thank you for watching.